Hey there, happy Tuesday. I hope your day is winding down well. Today's been a day. Today was one of those days where I forgot that it was Tuesday. I've been in my office working all day. We've been working on offers and homes that are under contract. And I went for a walk and I just got back and I said, today's Tuesday, which is Buyer Education Tuesday. So please excuse the dress, but that's what happened. But it is Tuesday, and so we're going to go over something that's really important in the home buying process, and that is what is the difference between closing costs and a down payment. Most likely you are going to need both in a real estate transaction, and we're going to go over the difference here real quick. So closing costs are the fees that you pay upon closing, and that could include your attorney fee, your title company fee, the price of a survey, application fees, appraisal fee, recording fees, etc. So that is what your closing costs are. And it's going to vary depending on your loan type, but you can expect to pay anywhere between 2 to 5% of the purchase price. So it just depends on your loan type, but that's a good rough estimate. Can the seller pay your closing costs? Yes. The seller can contribute to your closing costs as a purchaser. However, that is something that needs to be negotiated when you make an offer. And I will say, in this hot market, it's less likely that a seller will pay your closing costs. However, we do still see it happen. It just depends on the price point, how long the house has been on the market. But sometimes we can still negotiate it. We are still very much in a seller's market, so we're not seeing seller paid closing costs on behalf of the purchaser as much, but again, it can happen. So what is a down payment then? Well, a down payment is the amount of money that you're going to put down towards your purchase of the home. Think of it kind of like a layaway payment. You make a payment up front, and then you pay the bank every month, your mortgage. So the down payment is also going to depend on how your loan type and how much you're buying and all that good stuff. A VA may not have any down payment. You might not have to put any money down. But with FHA, you may be looking at 3.5%, or maybe with conventional, you can be looking at 5%, 10%. 20% down. It just depends. I will say with conventional, you most likely won't be paying PMI, which is primary mortgage insurance, but most likely with the FHA you will. And with the FHA, that PMI is going to be with the life of the loan. You're never going to get it off. So there's a bunch of different things to consider when purchasing a home and your loan types, and we'll talk with a lender at another time about how that works. We did a little bit, you can find it on our YouTube channel, which is RVA Home Team. We did speak with Courtney Ficken about that, but we'll do another video. But real quick, that is the difference between closing costs and a down payment. Unless you're doing like a VA loan, you most likely are going to need a down payment in addition to the closing costs. If you guys have questions, feel free to put them in the comments, or feel free to send me a private message and I'll be happy to answer it for you. And if you would like a free copy of our home buying guide, the home buying guide, which is your guide from contract to close, please send me a private message with your email. I will get that out to you within 24 hours. We have lots of things like frequently asked questions and the do's and the don'ts of buying a home. And I will be back on Thursday with some seller tips. And on Thursday, we are going to talk about if you have smoked in your home, what you need to do to get it ready for market. Guys, I am Shannon Milligan at RVA Home Team, powered by eXp Realty. Again, please excuse me for the dress. The day got away from me and I went for my workout and I came home. I was like, oh, it's Tuesday, not Monday. And I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye, y'all.